So class 10th, chapter number 6 triangles, we learn one topic today, that is area of similar triangles. So let's start this. But before starting this, let us recall the similarity for the two triangles. So the two triangles are similar when corresponding angles of the triangles are equal and corresponding sides of the triangles are in proportion. So, if there are two triangles ABC and PQR, and when we get angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, and also the ratio of corresponding sides AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, that is in proportion. So we can say that two triangles are similar. Now, one important, or we can say one interesting point about the similar triangles is that the similar triangles not only share the relationship about the angles and sides, but also the ratio of their perimeters, altitudes, angles, bisector areas, and other aspects are also in ratio. So let us talk about the relationship between the areas of two similar triangles. So there is a theorem which says if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area of both triangles is proportional to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So the meaning of this, when we have two triangles ABC and PQR and they are similar, so we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ whole square is equal to BC upon QR whole square is equal to CA upon RP whole square. That is, ratio of the area of the two triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So, how it comes? Let's know about this. So, let's take a triangle ABC, an equilateral triangle of side 6 cm, and make the points for 1 cm distance on the sides of the triangles and draw the parallel lines. By joining these points, we get like this. We can join the points and draw the parallel lines parallel to the third side CB. In the same way, we will draw the for third side also. So we get a figure like this where ABC is a triangle and it divides into smaller triangles. Now when we count these small triangles, they are 36. So we can say the area of this triangle ABC of the side 6 cm is equal to the area of these 36 small triangles. Now let's consider one more triangle PQR where the sides of the triangle PQR is half of the previous triangle ABC. That is, we will take here triangle PQR of side 3 cm, and in the same way, by taking points at 1 cm distance on all three sides and by joining them by making the parallel lines, we get the triangle PQR having the 9 small triangles. So we can say here the area of this triangle PRQ or PQR is area of 9 small triangles. So here we can conclude area of the triangle ABC, which is the triangle of side 6 cm, is equal to area of 36 small triangles, and area of triangle PQR, which is 3 cm side, is equal to area of 9 smaller triangles. So let's find out the ratio of these areas of two triangles. So area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle ABC, that is equal to 9 by 36, or it will be 1 by 4. Now let's take the ratios of the sides of the triangles. So let's take the sides of the triangle is PQ upon AB. So all the sides of the triangle PQR is 3 centimeter and sides of the triangle ABC are 6 centimeter. So 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, and this 1 by 2 is the ratio for all three corresponding sides. Now here we are getting 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 for the side, for the ratio of sides and the ratio of the area of the triangles. So we can write here, or we can conclude that area of triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle ABC is equal to PQ upon AB whole square, as 9 smaller triangles upon 36 smaller triangles is equal to 1 by 4, and this 1 by 4 can be write as 1 by 2 whole square. So we can conclude the triangles ABC and triangle PQR are similar, then area of these two triangles is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. This relation is ratio of the square of the corresponding sides, that is AB upon PQ whole square, or is equal to BC upon QR whole square, or we can write CA upon RP whole square. So we can remember the statement very easily that the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ whole square is equal to BC upon QR whole square is equal to CA upon RP whole square. Now let's apply this concept for finding the area or side of the triangles. So here it's question, let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas are given respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square, and EF is given 15.4 centimeter. Find out BC. Now for these two triangles, as they are similar triangles and their areas are ABC, area of triangle ABC is given 64 centimeter square and area of triangle DEF is given 121 centimeter square. So by the relationship between the areas and sides of the similar triangles, we have area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB upon DE, the ratio of the corresponding sides. So it is AB upon DE whole square is equal to BC upon EF whole square is equal to AC upon DF whole square. Now we have to find out the value for BC, and EF is given. So in these three ratio of the sides, we are getting here BC upon EF, this one. So we can take only this as area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF is equal to BC upon EF whole square. Now we put the values of this. ABC, area of ABC is 64, area of DEF is equal to 121. BC we have to find out, and EF is 15.4 whole square. Now after solving this, as 64 upon 121, we know that these are the square numbers. So we can write 64 as 8 square and 121 as 11 square. So 8 upon 11 whole square is denotes this 64 upon 121. So 8 upon 11 whole square is equal to BC upon 15.4 whole square. Now in both the sides there is the exponent, and which is equal. So we can write now 8 upon 11 is equal to BC upon 15.4. Now here we can cross multiply the terms. So we get BC is 8 into 15.4 upon 11, and by solving this we get BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Now we can say that the side BC of the triangle ABC is 11.2 centimeter.